This week we're going to look at different ways we like to blend color, and we need to create a background for our penguin. What I need you to do first is make a horizon line. So somewhere in the middle of your paper, you're going to draw a line across. And this is just the horizon line. It's going to be where our water meets our sky, okay? Or the land. So we're going to want to make some snowy hills, so you can just make some curves. Like these are big hills in the background, and it doesn't have to be any way. Don't make them, you don't want to make a bunch of short lines. You want them long and smooth, okay? So long rolling lines across there. This will be our sky. This will be our icy snow. And here's our water, but we need something for the penguin to float upon. So we're gonna make an iceberg. And to do that, you're just gonna, again, using that rolly, winding line, go around and make some kind of a fun shape like so. So it doesn't have to be any shape. It can go even be bigger than the page. It's up to you, but this is a good size. Next, what you want to do is come to the edge of your iceberg and draw a line down about 1 inch. Then we want to come to our farthest edge on this side, and we're going to draw a line down about 1 inch. So that's how thick our ice is. The next thing you can do is, following the contour, the shape of this line, I'm gonna mimic that, I'm gonna copy that. So if this goes this way, dips that way, comes up this way, see how I'm keeping the same distance? I'm just following, now it curves up this way and over, and voila. Now this looks like 3D. So that's how we made this iceberg look like it's floating on top of the water. Before it looked like it was just flat on the water. Here it looks like it's raised up above the water. Okay, for the next part, all we need to do is have fun blending colors. So for my sky, I'm gonna give you a fun pink, or you can use whatever paints you have. And I'm gonna give you a little dollop of some purple, like so. And you're just gonna make a snowy sky. So with some water on my brush, all I wanna do is start blending this across my sky. And it can blend into my purple. And look how fun that looks. It looks like one of those winter skies. Again, you don't want to mix it all to one color. You want to try and have some pink still in different places and just some purple in places. And you're just going to mix this all, or paint this all in. If it goes over your line, that's fine. Maybe it's reflecting off the snow a little. And there we have a very cool winter sunset. Now we have to do our water. And for that, I'm just gonna give you a little blue paint. And you're gonna blend this around. Get some of that pink off my brush. And I can just start going around my iceberg, like so. And again, whatever paints you have at home for those online learners, you can use. And you just want to go long strokes back and forth across. It gets a little deeper here. We just want this all to be filled in blue because, again, it's water. If it gets over the iceberg, that's fine. I'm just making it nice long strokes. So voila. There we go. go our floating iceberg and our winter night sky.